and nowhere at once. A hidden snake in the grass. A predator watching from the trees. A sudden storm. A wrong step near a cliff. Hunger that lasted days. Infection from a tiny wound. There was no warning label on life. There was only consequence. Children did not grow up slowly. They learned quickly or they didn't grow up at all. Noise could attract death. Curiosity could kill. Play was cautious. Laughter was quiet. Every child learned by watching others disappear. Night was the enemy humans feared most. When the sun fell, vision failed and sound took over. The darkness hid teeth, eyes, and movement. Humans huddled close together, not for warmth alone, but because being alone meant becoming a target. Sleep was light, broken, and alert. Someone was always listening. Fire became a miracle, not because it burned, but because it pushed the darkness back. Fire did not guarantee safety, but it created a line predators hesitated to cross. Around fire, humans survived the night. Without it, the night survived them. Food was never certain. Hunger followed humans like a shadow. Some days brought enough. Many did not. Humans learned to eat what others ignored. Roots, insects, scraps, fallen fruit. Every bite was tested by fear. Eat the wrong thing, and you might not wake up. But not eating at all was also death. Survival was a series of bad choices where you picked the one that killed you the slowest. Injuries were deadly, even small ones. A cut could rot. A broken bone could end everything. There were no doctors. No painkillers. Healing depended on time, rest, and luck. Groups cared for the injured not because it was easy, but because abandoning them meant breaking the group. And a broken group was already dead. Weather was another enemy. Cold killed silently. Heat drained strength. Storms erased shelter. Floods stole land. Humans could not control nature. They could only adapt to it.